Hello friends. So in this video we will going to cover the about the angular forms. So what these angular forms are and how they are really helpful, and what kind of uh, forms you can develop. So here I prepared a basic form, and I will discuss the coding part in the next video. So in this video we can understand like what we are going to develop here. So what we have here, so what I have developed here, so with that we can learn more things about the angular forms. So let's deep dive into what what is happening here. So let's cover like what points we are going to cover here. So if you click on add a skill, it will add the skills. If you add more skills, you can add more skills. Like firstly you can add your name, last name, and you can add your skills like Angular, JavaScript, TypeScript, all those things. So we can develop forms like that, and we can also add other employees also. So if you can see here, it added another block, add employee, add employee. So with that we can also add the employees here also. So if you remove it, it will remove that. So if I write something like that, test data, so you can see here, it is also showing in the JSON also here below, like what data you are feeling like you have to, you are beginner in this, you can modify according to, and you can learn about the forms. And it is very important, like where there are lots of websites we develop in which we use the angular forms. So here so if I move to here, TypeScript, so all the data we're going to cover here, like 3 year experience, advanced, so all those things. So if you see here, it is giving us all the data. Talking about just talking about like on the submit, what it gives us. So if you click on submit, then you can see like you will get this data like employees under the employees what we have. And like in the second we do not have data, so it is not contain data. So in the first you have data, so it has given all the details whatever you filled up. So yeah, we are going to develop all this kind of form uh, in the video. And so what we are going to cover, creating a basic form, basic employee form, in which we need to add fields like first name, last name, skills. So this is a form that you can develop, and you can learn from it. So here we added, and user can create and use on the add a button. With that you can add more employees. Same with the, like it's like suppose I want to add more skills, so we need to add a skill button also, add a button, add a employee button. With that you can add more, with that you can add more employees and add a skill button. With that you can add more skills, and it's limited to that employee. So yeah, we are going to cover all those basic part in this video, and what we have added here. And on the submit button we need that JSON data that we entered. So these are the things that we can cover in this video. And also we have added the remove button, add remove button, so that you can also remove any employee data. So yeah, if you click on it, so it is working now. So it has removed that employee. So and also uh, here we have added, here we have done one more thing, like whatever you are entering here, it is displaying in the UI also. So display the data in UI, whatever whatever values you are entering. So we will learn all those things in our video, like the coding part, how we can achieve that. It is very important to learn Angular forms and Angular forms, like how you can take the data from the user, like if we are developing enterprise application or any kind of application. So it is important to cover all those things, how you can validate the data and other things. So we the validation part is a different thing, so I will cover that in a different video. So now let's just firstly what we are going to do, we are just going to develop this simple form. Thanks guys for watching.